I'm Jessie, dietitian at Adjust Health in Coomera. Stick around till the end, guys, because I'm going to give you my top 3 tips on how to gain and maintain the appropriate amount of weight during pregnancy. The reason I'm talking about this is because not maintaining the right amount of weight during a pregnancy can actually affect your baby's health long term. Literally 70% of Australian women don't gain within their recommended amount of weight during their pregnancy. The problem with this is that it actually increases the risk of things like miscarriage, a C-section. It also increases the risk of developing things like preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, and neural tube defects as well. It can also increase the risk of chronic disease and obesity for your child later in life. So there's a lot of reasons why we should be gaining and maintaining the right amount of weight during pregnancy. So what I do is teach women what the appropriate weight gain should be for their whole pregnancy, as well as what the appropriate weight gain should be during each trimester. 30% of Australian women, only 30% of Australian women can actually identify what their appropriate weight gain is during pregnancy. So I work with women so they know exactly how much they should be gaining and that they're not gaining too much and increasing their risk of all these previous problems that I've mentioned. So my top 3 tips for gaining and maintaining the appropriate weight during pregnancy. The first one is eating moderate amounts regularly. So rather than eating large meals all at once, we're better off spreading those meals out over the day, and that also decreases your hunger and keeps you quite full through the day as well. The second one is finding other ways for your cravings, or thinking a bit outside the box for your cravings. So rather than going for the first thing that comes to mind, trying to think about what other things you might be able to have that are going to meet those cravings. And the last one is choosing high quality carbohydrates. So choosing things that are higher fiber and less refined. These are going to keep you fuller for longer, and they're also going to stop you from eating quite as much as well. So previously, or things that we've heard during pregnancy or about pregnancy, is eating for 2 and that we should be really doubling our intake, but that's not quite true. We do need to eat more, but it's not as much as you'd think, and that's why I'm here to tell you about the healthy eating, how much you really should be eating during your pregnancy. So I've seen many pregnant women who are going through all these same sorts of problems, and we've talked about these strategies and gotten really good results in terms of their weight gain during their pregnancy. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or want any more details, click the link below, that will take you to our website. If you do have any questions for me, comment below or send us a direct message and I'll get back to you personally. Thanks.